Dhanyavadaha. Very good. Samichinam. Okay, so what we're going to learn today from Unit 10, right? So that way, on Friday, you can have a Kahoot game on Unit 10. Okay, we're going to practice Unit 10 today. Okay, everybody can see the screen. Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Everybody can see the screen, right? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Who would like to read the story of Gopal? Can somebody read it?
Yes. Can I read?
Yeah.
Can I read it, Prabhuji?
Yeah. What is your name?
Esha Gopal.
What is your name?
Govinda.
Govinda. Okay, go ahead.
Govinda.
Okay, read the story.
Esha Gopal Asti.
Okay, you have to translate also. Esaha means this.
Esha Gopalaha Asti.
This is Gopal.
This is Gopal.
Okay.
Gopalaha Krishna Bhajati.
Gopal.
Gopal
worships Krishna.
Gopal worships Krishna. Okay, next one.
Gopala Krishna Pashusti.
Gopalaha pustakam pasati. Okay, what it means?
Gopal is touching Lord Krishna.
No, I'm talking about this one. Gopalaha pustakam patati. Where my arrow is?
Which one?
Where my?
I don't see. Gopal is reading the book.
Okay,
Gopal
very good.
is reading the book.
Okay, the next
Gopala
one.
Patram Likati. Gopal is writing on a paper.
Writing a letter.
Oh, okay.
All right, next one.
Gopala Prasadam Padati. Gopala is eating prasadam.
Okay, so what is Gopala Krishnam Sprushati means what?
Touch.
Gopal touches Krishna.
Gopala Bhajanam. Gopala is singing. Gopal is singing.
No, Gopal not singing. Srunoti is hearing. So Gopal is hearing bhajan. You got it?
Gopala Prasada Khadati. Gopal is eating prasad.
Very good. Next.
Gopala Prasanna Asti. Gopal is present.
Gopal is happy. Prasannaha means happy. Okay, so Gopala Prasannaha Asti. Gopal is happy. Is Asti. Gopala Prasannaha is happy. All right. Then,
Gopal is happy.
okay, next one. Okay, so here put all the words from the story into the correct column. You see, you remember the story? So here Gopalaha subject, Krishnam object, Bhajati verb. So you are learning 3-word sentence, subject, object and verb. Okay. So if you remember this story, anybody else wants to read this story?
Yes, me.
Okay, what is your name?
Jhalak.
Jhalak. Okay, go ahead, read the story, and everybody else also try to read themselves. Okay, okay, Jalak, go.
एषः गोपालः
अस्ति.
Okay, what it means?
अस्ति. It means that this is Gopal.
This is Gopal. Very good, Jalak. Next one.
Gopalah
Um,
bhajati.
Okay, what it means, Jalak?
Gopala is serving
it's-
Lord Krishna.
it's my turn.
Bhajati is worships. So
Swastika.
Gopal worships Krishna.
Please don't
Krishna
talk.
here is
Say
object.
Kuti Bai. Kuti Bai.
All right, next one, Jalak.
Gopal
Pustakam
Laha.
patati.
Gopal is reading.
Reading what?
Patati. Reading about
A book. He's
Krishna
reading a book.
Very good.
in a
Gopalaha.
book.
Gopal reads book or Gopal is reading books. Okay? Full sentence. Gopalaha pustakam pathati. Gopal reads book. Or you can say also Gopal is reading pustakam. Book. Okay, next one.
Gopal
Patram likati.
is writing.
So how do you translate it?
Gopal is writing a letter.
Gopal is writing later. Okay, or Gopal writes later. Okay, next one.
Prabhuji, can I read it?
Yeah, who is this?
Wait, which one are we at?
You see my arrow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
Gopalaha Krishnam Sparshati.
Sprushati.
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 Gopal is touching Krishna.
Okay.
Gopala bhajanam.
Gopalaha bhajanam shnoti.
Okay.
Gopal is listening to music.
Gopal listens bhajan.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next.
Gopalaha prasadam khadati. Gopal is eating prasad.
Okay,
Gopalaha
Next.
Gopalaha sparshana asti. Gopal is happy.
Very good. Okay. Anybody else wants to do it?
Yes, Prabhuji. Can I do it swastika?
Yeah.
Like the
What
whole
is your
thing?
name? What is your name?
Swastika. Can I do it again? Like
Yeah.
the whole
Okay,
thing?
go ahead.
Eshaha Gopalaha asti. Gopal, this is Gopal. Gopalaha Krishnam bhajati. Gopal worships Krishna.
Very good.
Gopalaha pustakam pathati. Gopal is reading a book.
Samichin.
Gopalaha patram likhati. Gopal is writing a letter.
Very good.
Gopalaha Krishnam sparshati.
Sprushati.
Sprushati. Gopal is touching Krishna. Gopalaha bhajanam shnoti. Gopal is listening to bhajans. Gopalaha prasadan khadati. Gopal is eating prasad. Gopalaha prasannaha asti. Gopal is happy.
Okay, next person. Those who haven't read it.
Ramachandra.
Okay, go ahead.
Ramachandra.
Yes. One by one.
Prabhuji,
Can Ramachandra go, Prabhuji?
Okay, go ahead, Ramchandra.
Esah Gopalaha asti.
Prabhuji,
This is Gopal. Gopalaha Krishnam bhajati. Gopalaha Gopal.
You also have to translate, Ramchandra.
Okay. Gopal is worshipping Krishna. Gopalaha Krishnam sparsati.
No, here,
Sparshati.
where my arrow is.
Gopalaha pustakam patati. Gopal is reading. Gopalaha patram likati. Gopal is writing letters. Gopalaha Krishnam sparshati. Gopal is touching Krishna. Gopalaha bhajanam shrinati. Gopal is hearing bhajans. Gopalaha prasadam khadati. Gopal is eating prasadam. Gopalaha prasannaha asti. Gopal is smiling.
Oh my God.
All is happy. Okay,
Can I
next
go
person.
Jyotiraditya Kashyap? Can I go Jyotiraditya?
Stop.
Can I
Okay,
go
who's the next
Jyotiraditya?
person?
Wait.
Can I go Jyotiraditya? I want.
Can I read?
Can I go?
Please,
Hello?
I hate you.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
hello.
Who is the next person?
Ovi.
Can I
Ovi.
Jyotiraditya?
Okay, Ovi, go
Okay.
one by one, okay? And then else everybody follow also, okay? While she is reading,
Gopalaha asti.
so translation.
This Gopal.
This
This
is Gopal. Asti is. Esaha is this. This is Gopal.
Gopalam Krishnam bhajati. Gopal worships Krishna.
Very good.
Gopalaha pustam patati.
Pustakam.
Pustakam patati. Gopal reads a book. Gopalaha patram likati. Gopal writes a letter. Gopalaha Krishnam sparshati. Gopal touches Krishna. Gopalaha bhajanam shrunoti. Gopal listens to bhajan. Gopalaham prasadam khadati. Gopal eats prasadam. Gopalam
Gopalaha.
prasanna asti. Gopal is happy. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Can I
Krishna.
go
Next.
Jyotiraditya? Can I
Who
go
is next?
Jyotiraditya? Jyotiraditya.
Sakhi, can I go?
Jyotiraditya.
Sakhi, Nihal, Nihal.
Okay, who is the next person?
Prabhuji,
Nihal, Nihal.
One by one. Okay, just one
Nihal.
person at a time.
This is Sakhi, Nihal. This is Sakhi. Can I please go, Prabhuji?
Okay, go ahead.
I asked.
Haribol.
Can Govinda go?
Okay.
Can Govinda go? Prabhuji, you told me, right? This is Sakhi. No, Govinda can go. Govinda?
One of you can read it. What is your name?
Prabhuji? Varun? Prabhuji, can you see
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare
Yeah.
Krishna.
Kids, so you have to maintain discipline. First, Prabhu said for Sakhi. So Sakhi, please take your chance. Then we can go with the next person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
One by one. Okay, everybody get a chance to read the story.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Okay. Eshaha Gopalaha asti. This is Gopal. Gopalaha Krishnam bhajati. Gopal is praying, Gopal is worshipping Krishna. Gopalaha pustakam patati. Gopal is reading book. Gopalaha patram likati. Gopal is writing letter. Gopalaha Krishnam sparshati. Gopal is touching Krishna. Gopalaha bhajanam shrunoti. Gopal is hearing bhajan. Gopalaha prasadam khadati. Gopal is eating prasad. Gopalaha prasanna asti. Gopal is happy. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Who is next?
Nishita.
Okay. Okay, Mishita, go ahead.
एषः गोपालः अस्ति. Gopal, this is Gopal. Gopalah Krishnam bhajati. Gopal is worshipping Krishna. Gopalah pustakam patati. Gopal is reading. Gopalah patram likhati. Gopal is writing a letter. Gopalah Krishnam prasati. Gopal is touching Krishna. Gopalah bhajanam shrunoti. Gopal is listening to bhajans. Gopalah prasadam khadati. Gopal is eating prasadam. Gopalah prasanna asti. Gopal is happy. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Can I go?
Very good. Okay, who is next?
Jyotiraditya. Can I
Okay.
go?
Yes, one by one. Go ahead.
Esa Gopalaha Asti. This is Gopal. Gopalaha Krishnam Bhajati. Gopal worships Krishna. Gopal Pustakam Patati. Gopalaha Pustakam Patati. Gopal is reading a book. Gopalaha Patram Likati. Gopal is writing a letter. Gopalaha Krishnam Sparsati.
Sprushati.
Gopal Sprusati. Gopal is touching Krishna. Gopalaha Bhajanam Sonarti.
Surunoti.
Gopal is listening to bhajans. Gopalaha prasadam khadati. Gopal eats prasadam. Gopalaha prasanna asti. Gopal is happy.
Very good. Samichanam.
Thank you.
Anybody else remaining? Everybody got turn?
Can I go?
Yeah. Who hasn't read so far?
Prabhuji Karthik.
Yeah, take one by time. Okay, Karthik, you and then after whoever next.
Esaha Gopalaha Asti. This is Gopal.
Next.
Prabhuji, I have a question.
Yes.
So, are you sending this PDF into a group?
No, Karthik, we are sending the video in the YouTube, right? Whenever you want, you can get the access to the YouTube videos.
Okay.
Okay, we have copyright issues, so we cannot post this PDF in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to continue?
No.
Okay, then good. Okay, I see Mihika. Mihika, please. Yes, Varun, please wait for your chance. Let Mihika go first. Mihika, would you like to go?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Eshaha Gopalaha Asti. This is Gopal. Gopalaha Krishnam Bhajati. Gopal worships Krishna. Gopalaha Pustakam Patati. Gopal reads book. Gopalaha Patram Likati. Gopal writes a letter. Gopalaha Krishnam Sprashati. Gopal touches Krishna. Gopalaha Bhajanam Shrunoti. Gopala listens to bhajan. Gopalaha Prasadam Khadati. Gopal eats prasadam. Gopalaha Prasannaha Asti. Gopal is happy.
Samichanam. Who is next?
Okay, Varun, go ahead. Varun?
Yeah, Mother, you can assign because I don't know their name, so you can assign one by one.
Sure, Prabhu, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Eshaha Gopalaha Asti. This is Gopal. Gopalaha Krishnam Bhajati. Gopal worships Krishna. Gopalaha
Pustakam patati. Gopal reads books. Gopalaha patram likati. Gopalaha is writing. Gopal is writing letters. Gopalaha Krishnam sprishati. Gopal is
Sprushati means
Gopal
touching.
is touching Krishna. Gopalaha bhajanam shrinati. Gopal is hearing bhajan. Gopalaha prasadam khadati. Gopal is eating prasadam. Gopalaha prasanna asti. Gopal is happy.
Very good. Thank you. Samichanam. Anybody left?
Yes, Prabhu. Jyotiraditya Kashyap. Yeah. Please, would you like to answer?
I already went, Mataji.
You already went. Okay, you should lower your hand.
Those who haven't done it,
Oh, sorry. I'll lower my hand.
I did. No worries.
Oh, okay.
So, yes, Prabhuji, there are no more raised hands, Prabhuji.
okay, that's fine. Okay, how many of they are?
There are like 22, Prabhuji. 25, Prabhuji on call.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to the next page now. Right. Here, you see this here. Put all words from the story into the correct column. Subject, object, and verb. For example, the subject ends with aha, gopalaha, right? And object is pustakam, and verb is patati. Okay, so subject ends with aha, object ends with am, and verb ends with t, patati, sprusati, likati, like that. So one of you can give me one sentence here from the story.
Okay, yes, Prabhu. Saki, yes, wait. Saki first raised hand, then Gopal, you can.
Yeah, if they raise hand, and Mataji, you assign them, so
Yes,
you
Prabhu.
can do one by one.
Yes, Prabhu, yes. So, Saki, first you go ahead.
Okay, so for the aha, I did Eshaha Gopalaha Asti. Like this
Yes.
is Gopal. So the Gopalaha.
Okay. Next one.
Okay. Next one too? Okay. So the words that end with so I did Gopalaha Prasadam Khadati.
Okay.
So Prasadam ends with
Yeah. One person can take each line, Mataji.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that way,
Mm.
everybody will have a chance to do it.
Yeah, then I guess Gopal. So, would you like to do the object part? Yeah, please go ahead, Gopal.
Okay.
So subject is always Gopalaha. You choose object, okay, and then verb you can choose.
Bhajati.
Okay, bhajati. Okay. Subject. What you will put subject?
Gopalaha.
Okay.
Shunati.
Srunoti. But what is he hearing?
Bhajati.
Okay. So no bhajanam. Gopalaha bhajanam srunoti, like that.
Shunati.
Okay. Okay. Next person can do the next line.
Mihika, would you like to do?
Yes. Gopalaha prasadam khadati.
Samichanam. Very good. Next person can do the next line.
Nihal?
Okay, so Nihal Pustakam Patati. Some subject Nihalaha words Pustakam word Patati.
Okay. Very good. Next.
Okay, so there is a big long name. So kids, if it is very long name, this is not a name, right? Be cheered up. It's just Sunday morning. So this is not an appropriate name. Who is this? So you should keep a very appropriate name. It is like that. We cannot call you. It's a long name. Okay, then I see Saki.
Okay. So I did Gopalaha Krishnam Bhajati.
Okay, very good. Next person, next line. You can choose any subject. You can use Ramesaha, Vinodaha instead of Gopalaha also. Because you have learned so many things.
Radha Bhajati. Radha.
Radha Bhajati who? You can say Radha Krishnam Bhajati.
Radha Krishnam Bhajati.
Very good, like that. Yeah. Okay.
Jalak,
Last
would you
person
like
from
to?
last line.
Okay, Jalak, would you like to go ahead?
Yes. Gopalaha. Gopalaha. Pustakam
Okay.
Patati.
Very good. Gopala Pustakam Padati. All right. Okay. Now on this page, you see on the left column, Bhaktaha, devotee. Udyan Palaha, gardener. Kalakaraha, artist. Pachakaha, cook. Lekhakaha, writer. Sainikaha, soldier. Rajakaha, washerman. And Gayakaha, singer. So these are all person have some particular occupation, right? Bhakta, Udyanpala, Kalakara. And on the right column, you have a verb. Okay. So Alikhati means paints. Prakshalayati means washes. Likhati means writes. Gayati means sings. Rakshati means protects. Pachati means cooks. And Patati means reads. And Khanati means digs. So we have to join this dot. Bhaktaha. I give you example. Bhaktaha, that dot goes to Patati, like that. Okay? So similarly, you have to all tell me. Bhaktaha Patati. This is an example. So Udyan Palaha. Now, one of you can choose which verb from this will go with Udyan Palaha. So one by one, Mataji will guide you. Raise the hand and Mataji will tell you who to go.
Robin, just give me a minute. Before you, there are some raised hands. Let me check. So Satvika. Satvika, would you like to go ahead?
You have to tell me the proper verb from the right hand column with Udyan Palaha. Udyan Palaha is gardener.
Satvika, are you ready? We cannot hear you. Sorry, Swastika. Swastika, we cannot hear you.
Prabhuji, maybe it would be Rakshati or Ganati.
What is it?
Ganati.
Khanati, digs. Very good. Because gardener digs, right? He's in a garden. Okay. Next person for them, this Kalakaraha. So please
Gobind?
give me the appropriate verb.
Gobind, would you like to answer? We cannot hear you, Gobind.
Anakala is painting.
What is it?
Anaka is painting the pot.
Kalakara are doing what?
Painting.
Painting. So what is the Sanskrit word for painting?
Anakayati.
This is the Sanskrit word for paints. So kalakaraha. So this dot will join with this. Alikhati. Please repeat.
Alikati.
Kalakaraha alikhati.
Kalakalaha alakati.
So painter paints.
Paints.
Paints. Okay. Next word for next person. Pachakaha. Pachakaha is cook.
Mihika, would you like to answer?
Yes. Pachakaha pachati.
Very good. Samichan. Yeah, it goes here. Next person. Lekhakaha.
Okay, I think Nihal. Nihal, would you like to answer?
Yes. Likati. Lekraha likati.
Lekhakaha likhati. Very good. It goes here. Next person. Sainikaha.
I think. Krish, would you like to answer?
Yes.
Sainikaha.
Say Rakasati.
Rakshati.
Protects.
Rakshati.
She's in the army, so yeah.
Okay, yeah, please pronounce properly. Sainikaha rakshati.
Okay, Raksati
Okay,
Sa-
very good. What is Sainikaha rakshati means? Soldier protects.
protects.
Okay. Next one is Rajakaha. Rajakaha is washerman.
Jalak, would you like to answer?
It's Prakash Sayati.
Rajakaha, what is it?
It's Prakshalayati.
Okay. Prakshalayati. Please repeat after me. Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati is washes.
Yeah, Prakshalayati. Can you all repeat Prakshalayati?
Prakshalayati.
You have to pronounce correctly. Learn the pronunciation. Okay, repeat after me. Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati. Okay,
Prakshalayati.
very good.
Prakshalayati.
Next one is Gayakaha.
Pavitra, would you like to answer?
Yes. Gayakaha Gayati.
Very good. Samichanam. Gayaka, Gayati means singer sings. Okay. Okay, is
I have a
anybody left
question, sir.
raising hand? Then we can go second round, Mataji. Anybody there?
Yes, Prabhu. All are done, Prabhu.
All done?
Prabhuji,
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
Okay. So I'll go to next
Prabhuji, I
page.
have a question.
Yes.
So can you send this PDF to like the WhatsApp group so we can review the last classes ones?
Pavitra, as it is, you can see in the recorded section of the YouTube uploaded videos. You
But
can
the
see as it
first
is.
one- But the first ones are kind of blurry, so
First one, what first ones?
like the first and second ones, they're kind of blurry when I see them.
But it is good. You can, because there are patent rights, so that's why we cannot share in a group.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Any one of you wants to go through this exercise? We can go second round. Anybody wants to do it?
No. Me.
Okay.
Me.
Who is there?
Hello.
Those who haven't done it. Nobody
Kastika,
wants
you
to-
have a question? Please go ahead.
Yeah, it's just like, I just wanted to ask how much more time do we have?
Oh, okay. We have like 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. So
Shall
kids,
go to
I
next
see a raised hands. So
If
whoever
anybody
wants second turn, please raise your hands or else lower hand.
Yeah,
I
if you want to
see,
go,
I see Jyotiraditya, Jalak, Sakhi, Govind, and Swastika, Mihika, Nihal. So you all want to go for second round?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes,
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So
yes,
be on mute. So you be on mute. I will call by one. Let me start with the okay. Jalak. Prabhuji, would you like to start, Prabhu?
yes, yes. They have to see where my arrow is and tell me the right words for that person. Bhaktaha.
Patati.
Very good. Next one.
Okay, Sakhi, please go ahead. Sakhi, are you able to see Prabhu's arrow? Where it is pointed? Sakhi, we cannot hear you.
Udyanpalaha. Udyanpalaha is gardener. What does he do? Select the verb from right hand column. I think she is not answering. Go to
Yes,
other one.
yes, Prabhuji. Yeah. Gobind, would you like to go ahead? Gobind? We cannot hear you, Gobind.
Sorry, my mic wasn't working.
Gobind, can you repeat once again? Mm. Come closer to mic. Mm.
Udyanpalaha. What does gardener do?
My mic wasn't working.
I cannot hear you. What is it? Digs.
Oh, digs. Okay.
So you have to
Digs.
tell me what is the Sanskrit word for it. Khanati, not yati. Khanati. Khanati. Okay, next one.
Hare Krishna,
Kalakaraha.
Prabhuji.
Kalakaraha.
My mic wasn't working. Can I say this one?
Yes, Sakhi, please.
Alikhati.
Very good.
Kalakaraha.
Alikati. So you have to speak both. Yeah, subject and verb. Okay, both of them. Because I want to also know that you pronounce. You are pronouncing correctly. You know. Next one is Pachakaha.
Alikhati.
Who is the next?
Swastika? Yes, please go ahead.
Pachakaha. Pachati.
Okay, what does that mean?
The cook cooks.
Cook cooks. Okay, very good. Next one is Lekhakaha.
Mihika?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
लेखकः लिखति.
Very good. What is the translation for it?
A writer writes.
Very good. Writer writes. Okay, next one, next person, Sainikah.
Okay, Nihal, please go ahead.
Sainika rakasati.
Sainikah
Rakasati.
Rakshati. Please pronounce
Rakshati.
properly. Rakshati.
Sainikah rakshati.
Rakshati. Very good. Okay. Next one is Rajakah for next person.
Ojaswini. Ojaswini. Would you like to answer, Ojaswini, or we can give this chance to next participants? Okay. So, Krish, would you like to answer?
Yes, Mataji. Rajakah. Uh, mm,
Rajakah is washerman.
so,
What does washerman does?
Prakshalati. Prakshalati.
Prakshalayati. Please repeat.
Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati. Very good. Okay. So, washerman washes. Okay. Next one is Gayakah, singer.
Narada. Please unmute yourself. Would you like to answer, or we can move on to our next participant? Okay. Ramachandra, please go ahead.
Gayakah gayati. Singer sings.
Very good. Samichanam. All right. So we will go to the next page now. Can you see that vocabulary? Okay, you have to learn this vocabulary for your Kahoot game. So everybody go through this. I'll give you 5 minutes and then I will ask you. I will leave the screen for 5 minutes. If you are done, tell me to scroll it down. So there are some more words.
Probably just come back.
There are a few more words here.
Can scroll up a little bit. Thank you, Prabhuji. So can I leave?
You all done?
This is the only letters.
Prabhuji, paper and lighter
And these
are
are some
the
more
same.
words here. Rajakaha, washerman.
Prabhuji, can you go back?
Rakshati, protects.
Prabhuji,
Sainikaha, soldier. Sprushati, touches. Srunoti, hears. Udyan Palaha, gardener. Okay. So I'll read one more time all these words. Please listen very carefully for pronunciation. Alikhati, pains. Asti is. Bhajanam, devotional song. Bhajati, worships. Bhaktaha, devotee. Esaha, this for male. Gayakaha, singer. Gayati, sings. Gopalaha, Gopal, subject because it ends with aha. Krishna, Kalakaraha, artist. Krishnam, it ends with ma. So here Krishna used as an object. Krishnaha, it ends with aha. So it is used as a subject. So like Krishnaha, Krishnam bhajati, like that. Khadati, eats. Khanati, digs. Lekhakaha, writer. Likhati, writes. Pachakaha, cook. Pachati, cooks, verb. Pachati, Pathati, reads. Patram, letter. Prakshalayati, washes. Prasadam, sanctified food. Prasannaha, happy, happiness. Pustakam, book. Okay, now can I test you? I'm going to take the screen now off.
okay, Prabhuji.
All right. So whoever raise the hand, Mataji will tell your name and I'll ask you. Who wants to be tested on this vocabulary?
Okay, Prabhu. Jalak raised hand. Jalak, I'm unmuting you.
Yes.
Okay, Jalak, what is the word for, Sanskrit word for singer?
Singer is
Jalak, you are on mute. We cannot hear you.
Gayakaha.
Yeah.
Gayakaha.
Kaha.
Gayakaha. Okay, who is next person?
Gobinda?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, what is the Sanskrit word for writer?
Gobind, we cannot hear you.
And subject?
What is the word for writer? I can't hear you. Huh?
Lekati?
Writer is lekhakaha.
Lekaha?
Lekhakaha.
Lekaha.
Okay. Next person. Who is next person?
Pavitra, would you like to answer?
Yes.
What is the Sanskrit word for vasis? Like washerman, vasis, right? So what is the Sanskrit word for vasis? Rajakaha.
So for washes, it's wait, I know it. Praksalayati.
Very good. Prakshalayati. Okay, next person. Who is next?
Mihika, Mihika, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, what is the Sanskrit word for worships?
Bhajati.
Very good. Samichinam. Next person.
Ramachandra, please.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, what is the Sanskrit word for artist?
Kalakaraha.
Samichinam. Who is the next person?
Swastika,
Yes, Prabhuji.
What is the Sanskrit word for gardener?
Me?
You can ask next person who has raised the hand. Gardener.
no more raised hands, Prabhu. Okay, Govinda, would you like to answer?
Uddanapala.
Udyan Palaha. Udyan is garden. Udyan Palaha is gardener. Very good. Okay, so somebody wants to answer Sanskrit word for hears.
Sunati.
Srunoti. Very good. Okay, anybody have a raised hand?
No, Prabhuji.
No?
Yes, Prabhuji, we got some raised hands.
Okay.
Pavitra, yes, Pavitra.
Okay. What is the word for cook? Sanskrit word for cook.
Cook or cooks?
What is it?
Is it cook or cooks, Prabhuji?
Sanskrit word for cook.
That is
Pachakaha.
Pachaka.
Pachakaha. Pachakaha. Okay. Then next person.
Swastika,
What is the Sanskrit word for book?
Pustakam.
Is very okay. Next person.
Mihika,
What is the Sanskrit word for washerman?
Washerman. Rajakaha.
Rajakaha. Very good. Okay. What is the next? Who is next person?
Narada,
What is the Sanskrit word for soldier?
Narada,
Yes. So the word for soul. Can you ask me another one?
Another one. Okay. What is the Sanskrit word for singer? Singer.
Can I tell Prabhuji?
Hmm?
Can I tell? Prabhuji, I know soldier. It is Gayati.
Singer is Gayakaha. Gayati is the verb. Gayakaha.
It's Gayak.
Gayakaha is singer and Gayati is verb, sings. Okay, who is next person?
Ramachandra,
Ramachandra. I'll ask you easy word. What is the word, Sanskrit word for devotee?
Bhaktaha.
Very good. Okay, next person. What is the verb for worships? Sanskrit word for worships. Verb.
Okay, so kids, who want to go ahead? Ojaswini, would you like to answer? Gobinda, wait, we will. Gobinda, please wait. We will give chance to new persons. Ojaswini, would you like to answer? Give a try.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the Sanskrit word for worships?
Okay, we will go on to next participant.
Bhajati. Very good. Okay. So next person, what is the Sanskrit word for artist?
Gopinath, would you like to answer? Gopinath? Or else we can go for Kushi.
Kalakaraha. Very good. Very good. Okay. Then what is the word for gardener?
Garden. Okay, we will go for new. Josna. Josna. Okay, then Krish, would you like to answer? Krish?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to answer, Krish?
Yes. What's the word? What's the word? Could you say the word again, please?
Gardener.
Gardener. I'm not sure.
Or
Could you
you
give me
can
another one?
ask who knows us. They can raise the hand. Who knows it?
Okay, we have raised hands, Prabhu, because from the starting of the class they are answering. I'm going for new persons, new participants.
Okay.
I see me. Yes, Mihika. Yes. Oh,
Gardener.
Pavitra, you said? Yeah, Pavitra, please go ahead.
Yeah. Udyanapalaha.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I'm asking, and then Mataji, whoever wants to raise the hand to answer it, you can ask them. Okay. What is the Sanskrit word for hears?
Mihika, would you like to answer? Mihika?
Hears.
Yes. Hare Krishna.
Hears.
Shrunoti.
Srunoti. Very good. Okay. Next one is rights. Who can answer rights? All of you should be able to. Rights.
Ramachandra Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes, Ramachandra. Yeah.
Likhati.
Likhati. Very good. Who wants to say about cooks? Verb.
Okay, Garuda, I see Garuda. Garuda, would you like to answer? Garuda, I see a raised hand.
Yes, I'd like to answer. The
Yes.
word for cook is
Word for
pachika.
cooks
Pachika.
is pachati. Pachati.
Pachati.
Okay. Pachakaha is subject, cook. And verb is cooks. Pachati. Okay. What is the Sanskrit word for reads? Like Krishna Pustakam. Read.
Swastika, would you like to answer? Swastika, would you like to answer?
No, Prabhuji. I just raised my hand on accident.
Okay, lower your hand. Okay, then we go for Gobinda. Would you like to answer this question?
Yes. What is the question?
What is the Sanskrit word for reads? Pathati. Okay, very good. Pathati. Okay. So who knows the Sanskrit word for eats?
Prabhuji. Khadati.
Khadati. Very good. Okay. What is the Sanskrit word for digs? Like Udyan Palaha is digging.
Khadati.
Khanati. Very good.
Khanati.
Khanati. Khanati. Okay. All right. Okay. Who knows the Sanskrit word for sanctified food? Everybody should.
Prasadam.
Prasadam. Yeah, everybody like to eat prasadam, right? Okay. All right. Last word. What is the Sanskrit word for touches? Sprushati. Sprushati. Yes.